Hi everyone, welcome back to Wiley Company in the kitchen. I guess Wiley wants to be in this one.
Yes, he does. Look at him all.
Okay, so today we have a really good bar cookie recipe.
Look at him.
So honey, what's my favorite cookie?
Vanilla wafers. Look at him.
So honey, what's my favorite cookie?
Vanilla wafers.
No.
Oatmeal cookies.
No.
No. Big Newtons.
Okay. No. I've told you this many times. We've known each other, what, 30 years?
Well, I don't know what everybody's favorite cookies are.
Okay, so my favorite cookie is Snickerdoodles.
Oh, okay.
I love Snickerdoodles.
Yeah, they are good.
Yeah. Why do you think I make them?
Because you like them?
Yeah. So I have a recipe that's actually a bar cookie Snickerdoodle recipe. It's called White Chocolate SnickerDoodle Bars.
Okay, now he's biting your arm.
Hold on, I gotta send me a tag.
Oh boy, look at him go today.
Today I have a white chocolate Snickerdoodle Blondie recipe. I got a little thief too. He just took the towel off the counter. And it's real simple to put together and it bakes up really quick and it is so yummy. So it's a good alternative to actually doing individual Snickerdoodle cookies.
Okay, a Snickerdoodle bar.
Right. And this is not a family hand-down recipe. I actually found this recipe about 10 years ago from lifeasalofthouse.com. I had to look my recipe up and I had put it on there. And we'll put a link to their website because they still have it on there with the recipe. So stick with us and let's get started.
All right, let's get it done.
So we're getting ready to do the recipe. I just have to clean off my counters again because somebody was a little bit active while we were trying to film this. So.
Yes, they were.
So let me get that done and we'll start the recipe.
All right.
It has white chocolate chips in it, so that's a little addition. So we are going to whip this up real quick and show you how good it is. And I might share one with you.
Okay.
Because Snickerdoodles aren't your favorite. Right?
I don't know. Pretty good.
Well, when I make regular Snickerdoodles, he does like those. So.
Yeah. All right, well, let's get busy then.
Okay. All right, so the first thing we want to do is just grease an 8x8 pan. And I said in an earlier video, I keep these butter papers with the extra butter, and I'm just going to use that. And I meant to kind of pre-do it and just show you real quick, but I forgot. Basically a bar type cookie, really simple. And that's that.
All right, here you go.
Oh, look, he's giving me a paper towel. I actually put an apron on today.
Oh, yeah, see.
But I keep forgetting to use it.
All right.
See, that's what they used to do, is wipe their hands on the aprons.
All right, now what are we going to do, honey?
Okay, so you're going to preheat the oven at 350, but we actually are baking something right now, so it's already preheated. Okay. Wiley.
Okay, Wiley.
Get down.
All right, buddy. Come on, get down, get down, get down. We got cooking to do here. You just had your molasses treat.
Okay.
Oh, we got two.
So it's already preheated. Okay. Wiley.
Okay, Wiley.
Get down.
All right, buddy. Come on, get down, get down, get down. We got cooking to do here. You just had your molasses treat.
Okay.
Oh, we got 2 minutes.
Huh? Okay. That was the oven. All right. So in a large bowl, we're going to cream some butter. Do you remember how much butter, honey? Because I'm a half a cup.
Right.
That's why you put it. Yeah.
Yes, a half a cup.
All right. And then we are going to cream that with the sugar, which is 1 cup.
Alright. Well, here. Alright, so we're going to beat this with the mixer.
Alright, then we're going to put the egg. Egg, please, sir. Since you're standing there. No, over there.
How many you need there, sweetheart?
Just 1.
Just 1. I guess I'll just put the shell.
That's what that bowl is.
Oh.
Okay.
You didn't tell me that.
And then we have a little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon. That's my 1/4 teaspoon. Right?
Yeah.
And then we have 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Okay, Wiley Bear. Okay, you can't cook with us right here, right now. I'm gonna drag everything off.
I need to fill my vanilla bottle back up. All right.
All right.
And then we got a cup of flour. And my mixer does not want to stay.
Cup of flour. That's a big cup.
Yeah.
So 2 of those, huh?
Yeah. Okay. And actually, don't try this at home, but this is how I clean the noodles. Huh?
Yeah. So you're just going to spatula that?
Yeah.
Or, well, not spatula.
Okay. I know, making lots of noise.
Hey, you're making a big mess.
I am. And this will be really thick because it's like a cookie dough. Right?
Yes.
And then if you could bring over those white chocolate chips.
I can handle it. Let's see.
He's got the spatula or the beaters. That's a 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips.
Well, I haven't been able to get rid of them yet.
Set them in that bowl where the... Yeah.
Okay. Now we're rid of them.
I personally feel like I need a few more chocolate chips or white chocolate chips in it.
Well, recipe calls for that much. I think
Okay.
we're good.
Did you mix that up?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Nobody informed me of that.
All right, so we're just going to put this right in the pan. Everybody's quiet, anticipating.
Uh-huh.
Look how nice that's sprayed.
Yeah.
Huh? He thinks I'm spatula crazy.
You'd probably be good at cleaning gutters. You get every leaf out of there, huh?
As best I can. Hand me that little spatula. That
This?
no, that.
Oh,
Yeah,
what's that called?
it's an offset spatula. And actually, somebody recommended in one of the other videos, and I forgot I had it. I think when I was doing the cinnamon rolls, maybe or something. I can't remember. So thank you for that recommendation and reminding me I have one.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna spread it in. If you ever done a pan cookie,
Oh, well, that's what I was wondering. It was like you said cookies, and these don't look like cookies.
it's what they call a pan cookie.
All right.
All right. And the offset spatula works wonderful.
Yes, it does.
And then last thing we're going to do is put a tablespoon of sugar cinnamon combination that Honey did not stir up. I'll get it.
You can't win. You can't win.
Oh.
Well, you know what? Here's the spoon.
Okay.
There you go. See, I'm helpful. Well, see, can you point it over here a little bit?
Oh,
so
sorry.
see what you're doing?
Sorry.
All right.
He measured it out, but he didn't mix it. So basically, like you make for Snickerdoodle cookies, and then you're just going to put that across the top.
I'm smelling the snickerdoodleness of it now.
Yep. Okay, so this is not a family hand-down recipe. I actually got this on lifeasalofthouse.com probably 10 years ago. And I actually checked today, and she still has the recipe on there. So we will put a link to her website. Thank you so much for it. I was so happy when I found it 10 years ago. And I've made it several times, but I can't believe you never tried it. Well, I guess I can because you're not really a sweet tooth. So that is all there is to it. We are going to put it in the oven and bake it for 28 to 30 minutes.
All right. It's 30 minutes, huh?
28 to 30 minutes.
28 to 30 minutes. All right. Great. I'm ready to eat some of them. Wiley, buddy. Okay, man. Come on. Come on.
Get down. Get down. You haven't been doing that. Why are you doing that all of a sudden? All right. There is our white chocolate Snickerdoodle Blondies.
Yes. Looks good.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah. My sniffer don't work as good as yours. Yeah. Looks great.
Yeah, now it's coming right out. You just cut squares, like a cookie square.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Looks good.
Smells really good. And there you have it.
All right. Snickerdoodle
Blondies.
Blondies.
White chocolate Snickerdoodle Blondies.
All right. Yeah, looks good. Okay, Wiley, you're sort of in the way, buddy. Get down, buddy.
I think the Cookie Monster is going to come out of it.
Just break me off a little bitty piece. That's really good.
Okay, well that's your piece.
All right.
I'm taking the rest.
No. All right. All right, guys. So that's what we got on this one. I'm sure you will love it. Works good, melts in your mouth. You know, that would be great with a cup of coffee. I mean, that would just be very awesome. Or hot chocolate, latte, anything like that.
Yep.
Or even just milk.
So for all you Snickerdoodle fans out there.
Yes. Alright, so that's what we got for you on this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know if you make it and what you think about it. And we'll see you on the next one. God bless and take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. Amen.